So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the problem on palindrome. So first we will see what is mean by palindrome. Palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same backward as forward. That means if we read the characters of a string from front side, or we start reading the characters from back side, the meaning of the word will be remain same. So that is meant by the palindrome. I've written some examples here of palindrome: radar, man, noon. So let's take an example. If we read the radar from uh, front side, of we start the reading the letters of the radar from back side, the meaning of the string will remain same. The palindrome can be in form of number as well: 1 2 2 3 2 2 1. So if we read this number from front side or back side, so the number will be same. So this is all about the palindrome. So in this we have a string and we have to check is that string is palindrome or not. So if it is palindrome, then we return true, and otherwise we return false. In this, what we will do, we will divide the word from between. Okay, then we will compare. If our first element is equal to our last element, so this is first and this is last. So if they are equal, we will check if second element is equal to second last element. If both the elements are also true, then there is only one character is remain, that is D. So we will compare D with D only. Obviously that is equal. Then we will return true. Let's see another example. So I have to divide the string from the half and we will compare here. Is first element is equal to last element? No. Then in this case the string is not palindrome. So we will return false. So let's see the pseudocode. So we will run loop for int I is equal to 0 to strings length by 2. So we will run a loop. So we will run a loop till half. Then we will compare string of I is equal to string of n minus I minus 1. If they are equal, then we return true, and otherwise return false. So let's start with our demonstration. I have created a class called demo1, and in that I have created a main method. We create a string Okay, so I've created a string here. Now we will create a function for palindrome. So public static, the return type will be boolean. Name will be is palindrome. And we will pass the string here. On the now we'll run a loop for int I is equal to 0 to I should less than. We'll run a loop till half of the string divided by 2. Then we'll update our I, and we will create a variable here, and so it will equal to string dot length, and we will check the condition. If our character at I is not equal to n minus 1 minus I, then we return false, and otherwise we return true. So we have created a function for palindrome. So let's call the function from the main method. Print. So I have called the function. So let's run the code and see is this string is palindrome or not. So we have get true here. So this is the palindrome. Let's change the string here and let's run the code again. So we have get the answer as false because it is not an palindrome. So this way we can write a code for palindrome. So thank you for watching this video.